What's up, y'all? So, this plate is not for everybody, okay? It's for the people that actually like sardines. This is what they call a sardine plate snack, okay? And yes, I was YouTubing, y'all. Not YouTubing, but TikToking. And I seen this. And I'm like, oh, I'm making that. This looks good. Because I be looking for a good snack. You know, I'm all for the good snacks. But anyway, y'all, look at everything I got on my plate. That lemon juice just turned everything on. And this was so good. Y'all should try it, especially the sardine lovers.